The next portion of Cigar Corner is actually three buildings. In the front is a small building which is cinder block, and behind it is two separate flats. And on the Wednesday night live stream, Workbench Wednesday, I went through what I did so far in a short video. You'll see that here. And I'm showing a little clip from the Wednesday night live stream. I sped it up a little bit. And at the very end, you'll see the end result of all the signs on all the walls. And pay close attention to the very last one, B&B Locksmiths. That is from a Yellow Page ad that I was talking about on the Wednesday night live stream. So enjoy. The next portion of this kit is called Center Stage, and it is actually AAA Cole, Bessie's Hauling, OK Used Cars, Baron von Klontz, and Admiral Television. It's this little building right here and two background buildings right here that has a multitude of businesses in there. So it's a first one in the front is cinder block on an MDF board. So it's a small building there. And the background building is two flats right here. And I have to add a storefront right here and some other detail around the top and the side. So that's going to be fun putting this all together. Let's go down to the workbench and see what we got here. So here's the main part of the building. We got chain link fence in there that goes right next to the building. We've got some doors, peel and stick doors. Here's the roof for it. Looks like some other peel and stick doors right here. Some detail. And that's everything for this part. Now the other part is a little bit more. The background building is over here, and it's got a lot more parts to it, and we'll get to that. This one was already pre-assembled before I got it, so I don't have to worry about putting these together. He's got some bracing on the back here, and so we'll deal with that. But first thing we're going to work on is this cinder block building. They have it in dirty gray, light gray, so we'll keep it like that. And first thing we got to do is cut all this out and paint it. I have all the wall panels removed and sanded. All these little pieces right here, I have them all sanded. Everything here is ready to paint. All these doors right here, they're going to be painted on the panel before I remove them, and then I'll touch it up after there. Here's the fence right here, and here's the roof. I'll cut that out when I'm getting ready to put that on. This right here where it says remove, you have to install this right here. This is an I-beam that goes across there, and that goes up here, and then it says once you got all that glued in to remove this. What I think I'm going to do is assemble the whole thing and then remove this, because I know that with my big fingers I'm going to damage it. So I'll wait until I put the four walls together and have it more secure before I remove this, and then I'll be able to sand it and then put 1/16 of an inch in the frame there for these garage doors right there. Pretty simple. Shouldn't take too long to do this one. Biggest thing is painting and peel and stick all this stuff and then gluing. Okay, I put gray primer on here, and this is the lightest gray primer. I have two different ones. This is the lighter one, but it came out a little bit dark, so I'm just going to have to dry brush a lighter gray on it, like maybe the Dove Gray. This is the Dove Gray right here. I mean, that looks a little bit lighter than the Country Gray. So let me try the Dove Gray on there. I'll dry brush it on. Give you a comparison of the before and the after right there. Don't forget to dab the edges on it a little bit harder because you want it to look like this right here. Got everything for the storefront here cut and painted. The steel beam right here, the sign, there's a 3/32. This goes up on top of it. I'm going to glue all this together now and then work on this, the ice signs, and then these two pieces wings go back. I'll attach all the sides, assemble the four sides of the building before I get the rest of the top of this together. Ready to smooth it out, and we'll, since this has got the lines going this way, we'll use it. Oh man, that's getting thick. Oh boy. More realistic, you take the X-Acto blade and cut all the way into it. But we're not going to go that far with it. Okay, so there we go. Probably won't be able to see it unless I take a photo of it, but there you go right there.